Hello everyone! The main objective of this tutorial is to learn how the epithelial cells from the small intestine are adapted for efficient diffusion. The human small intestine has a huge internal surface area. So, what are the main ways in which the increased surface area is achieved in the small intestine? Well, first of all, the small intestine is very long. The small intestine contains a folded lining, which will ultimately increases the surface area. Moreover, the folds of the lining have finger-like projections called villi, as you can see here in the picture. And lastly, the surface cells of the villi have microvilli, formed from the cell membrane. So, there are 4 ways by which an increase in the surface area can be achieved. Now, as you can see here, the microvilli will increase the surface area, and the rate of diffusion of the particles into the blood will consequently increase. Furthermore, it is noted that damaged microvilli often results in deficiency diseases. Does anybody have an idea why? Well, actually, if the microvilli are damaged, then there's a small surface area for absorption of food molecules into the blood. Then, some molecules would pass through the intestine without being absorbed and would be excreted out of the body. Thanks for watching.